Live from the homie's backyard, and today we got Dope Easy stepping in the cycle.
Really?
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh, really? Big Dope Easy, nigga, motherfucker King Cleveland speak, you hear me? Rubber Band Money Gang, Rubber Band Murder Gang, man. Top Strata, Don Dada. First 48 game, man. Step on everything. Hold on. All this water on my wrist, you try this shit, you gon' get drenched. Barely shoot cause I got rich, but still drop 30 off the bench.
Oh, barely shoot cause I got rich, I still dropped 30 on the bench.
Up that bitch quick, but he was too late. 40 hitting that bitch like a shine, a blue face. You ain't with the shits, then you can't spin with us. You ain't murder gang, can't ain't no gangsta shit you did with us. Nigga better duck, you see me lift it up. He tried to score on me like DraftKings, I blew his ticket up.
God, scoring me like DraftKings, I blew his ticket up.
To be a problem, they had me banded rolling loud. Reaching for my chain, to up this bitch blowing the crowd.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Run your chicken up, boy, all that broke shit out of style. Big stepper, 2 feet in, don't get out of bounds. Try my white boy and he got whacked. Dragged him out the club like I'm security. Damn, I forgot I rap. My front line, BZ don't sit in the back. Put you on a shirt for cheap, it look like TJ Maxx.
Oh my gosh! Put you on a shirt for cheap. Call you TJ Maxx. Caption.
Educate my nigga, never met Cuddy. Ain't saying he ain't from Cleveland.
That bar gang. We was watching. Okay.
Just never
Alright,
met Buddy. Demon not a preacher, I can't go like Corey Bates. A nigga played and I'ma go out like you money. Glizzy on.
Hold on. Put you on a shirt. Put you on a shirt. Put you on a shirt and you go cheap for like TJ Maxx. Put you on a shirt and you go cheap for like TJ.
I hip up the switch, I ain't gon' miss. I don't miss when I'm on hits and I damn sure don't miss a bitch. We on your strip, Bet your set dip, I send that blitz. Thought I was recording them on my story. You saw that flashlight on that blick. Oh,
Y'all
Y'all should listen when I'm spitting, cause I'm really saying something. There's a difference between
this tall nigga, bro.
who's authentic and portraying something. There's a difference between independence and your label front. Like there's a difference between being legendary and just having your name buzzing. Blood don't mean nothing. I'm closer with Slim than my real cousin. Fuck 12, JoJo's down 13, that's a baker's dozen. Ate a chicken leg, playing chicken head while her face thumping. The friction from it make noise like when the cricket's legs rubbing. I was aiming for a mouth, couldn't control it, now her hair crunchy. Left and hit over street market, spent the hundy. I'm a serial fashion killer like Ted Bundy. I spend it all on Saturday, I could be dead Sunday. I'm really nice with this. I watch reaction videos, you miss some bars.
What's good with it? No, I ain't miss any bars. I just didn't say nothing. Come on now. It's okay. Come on now. I ain't miss any bars. I just didn't say nothing.
So I need you to listen twice to this. Like if I say I'm a monster, I don't mean metaphorically. I mean I'm genetically spliced with it. Lyrically Christ with it. Fear of God Nike fit. My boy
Nike fit. Nah, I ain't
even used to have crack inside his Nike kicks. That's not my lane.
Now, that's
Give me
crazy. Imagine having crack inside of your shoes.
a beat, don't care what type it is. I'm about to recite viruses on whoever's mic this is. Y'all won't give me my flowers, but y'all hyping this. Ears must be damaged, someone Mike Tyson did. The flow's tight like Ice Spice's fit, but my Rick's loose like my 4X.
How old is MGK? Like 20.
18 in 2006. Hey, I known Dope Boy since 2006. I really opened for Gucci Mane in 2006. I used to drop songs and only get 2,000 clicks. Now I can stack plaques up like 2,000 bricks. All my boys self-employed, got the banks, no Lloyd. At the crib, lot of toys, got a kid, no Leroy. Got the fridge with LaCroix, smoking loud, fuck the noise. Use the throat, not a voice. She ate the nut like Almond Joy. I got a driver, he pull up, go beat. Acting like I ever quit rapping, y'all sleep. I wore some pink and now he's thinking I'm sweet. We left the club and cooked his ass like street meat. Feeling like Cameron, turn the camera on. Look at the Jewels, repping the old boy, not the Joel Santana song. I've had this number too damn long. Don't hit me if it's not about money. I want my text green like Samsung.
Oh, I want my text green like Samsung.
You know what the fuck going on, man? Cleveland.